Okay, we're going to talk about the part whole model or the cherry model. You'll hear this referred to both of those names at school. And the simply, the cherry model, the part whole model, is when you take a number, which is your whole, and you're regrouping it into its parts. So 5 could be regrouped into a 3 and a 2, but 5 could also be regrouped into a 4 and a 1. So very simply, it's about these are your parts and they make up your whole, and obviously it looks like a cherry. As you progress in your mathematical understanding, it will then be used to regroup a number into its tens and its ones, or its hundreds, tens and ones, or its thousands, tens and ones, etc. So for example, 23 could be regrouped into 20 and to 3. And if we move on further up the school, when you're working in thousands, this 4,217 could be regrouped into 4,200, 110, and a 7. Okay, so you can see how that number is formed. It can also help the children to realise that there is more than one option for how you can regroup something. So like we did with the 5, we could regroup it into a 3 and a 2, or we could regroup it into 4 and 1. If we take a larger number, yes, 379 could be regrouped into 379. It could also be regrouped into 200s, 17 tens, 170, and a 9. So we can work out that actually, although we would say that this has 300s, 7 tens, and 9 ones, we could also explain this number by saying that we've got 200s, we've got 17 tens, and we've got a 9.